morning students, welcome to today's session. Class 7 English Grammar Chapter 2. Class 7 English Grammar Chapter 2 Adjectives. Adjectives. What is called an adjective? An adjective tells or describes about people or things. Words for people and things are nouns. So adjective describes noun. So adjective is nothing but the adjective is the word that we use to describe a noun. An adjective tells or describe about people or thing. Adjective यानी क्या है? किसी लोगों को या थिंग्स को, वस्तुओं को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए जो वर्ड यूज़ करता है वो क्या है? एडजेक्टिव. द वर्ड्स फॉर पीपल और थिंग्स आर नाउन्स. अभी एक सेंटेंस में जो पीपल है या थिंग्स है वो क्या है? नाउन है ना. तो एडजेक्टिव क्या है? एडजेक्टिव डिस्क्राइब्स नाउन. तो एडजेक्टिव यानी क्या है? द वर्ड वी यूज़ टू डिस्क्राइब नाउन. नाउन को एक सेंटेंस में जो नाउन है वो नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए जो वर्ड यूज़ करता है वो क्या है? एडजेक्टिव. सो एडजेक्टिव इज़ नथिंग बट द वर्ड वी यूज़ टू डिस्क्राइब नाउन, दैट इज़ एडजेक्टिव. एडजेक्टिव tell us such things as the size, age, color, material or quality of a person or things. So adjective can be the size, age, color या material or the quality of that person or that thing. So adjective can be anything about that noun. Okay, its size, its color, its shape, its quality, its material. So when we describe the noun, that particular word is adjective. For example, a small boy. Here see, noun is boy and we describe the boy as small. तो small क्या है? adjective है. समझ में आया? नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए जो वर्ड यूज़ करता है वो क्या है? एडजेक्टिव. भी ये बॉय का क्या बता रहे हैं? हम साइज बता रहे हैं, वो छोटा है ना, तो वो क्या है? एडजेक्टिव. ए वाइट स्वैन. एक स्वैन को डिस्क्राइब करके हम क्या बता रहा है? वाइट. तो इसको बता रहा है वाइट स्वैन. तो वाइट क्या है? एडजेक्टिव. स्वैन क्या है? नाउन. ए यंग चाइल्ड. इंग्लिश ग्रामर. इटालियन कार. समझ में आया? तो जो भी वर्ड नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए जो वर्ड यूज़ करता है वो क्या है? Adjective. So what is adjectives? Adjective is nothing but the word we use to describe the noun, such as the noun, the person, yeah, things, color, shape, size, age, material, quality, anything. When we describe that particular noun, that word remains as adjective. Now possessions of adjective. Possession of adjectives. First one is before noun. अभी एडजेक्टिव हम कहाँ पे यूज़ कर सकता है? फर्स्ट वन बिफोर नाउन, यानी नाउन के पहले. सी ए प्रिटी गर्ल लिव्ड इन दैट हाउस. ए प्रिटी गर्ल, व्हाट इज द नाउन हियर? गर्ल इज द नाउन हियर, राइट? नाउ सी वेयर इज द एडजेक्टिव? हियर. प्रिटी. हम एक गर्ल नाउन को कौन सा वर्ड विशेषण दे रहा है? डिस्क्राइब कौन सा वर्ड कर रहा है? प्रिटी, है ना, ब्यूटीफुल. तो एक गर्ल को विशेषण देते हुए कौन सा वर्ड है? प्रिटी. तो ये क्या है? एडजेक्टिव. नाउ द पोजीशन इज बिफोर द नाउन, राइट? बिफोर द नाउन, तो नाउन के पहले. ए प्रिटी गर्ल लिव्ड इन दैट हाउस. तो नाउन एडजेक्टिव हम कहाँ यूज़ कर सकता है? बिफोर द नाउन. ओके. Example, a pretty girl lived in that house. So this is called attributive possession. Attributive possession. If the adjective is before the noun, that possession is called attributive possession. Next is as a part of predicate. Now tell me, what is predicate? The part of the sentence which has the verb. Okay, what is predicate? The part of the sentence which has the verb. Now when the adjective is part of that predicate, now she is feeling happy. Now she is the pronoun, right? She is the pronoun. Now is feeling happy is predicate, is feeling happy is predicate. Now happy वो उसको विशेषण दे रहे हैं, खुश है, happy है, so वो कहाँ पे आ गया, as predicate, as the part of predicate. Now second one, I thought her selfish, I thought her selfish. Now the word selfish is what, adjective, right, and it came as part of predicate, so that kind of position is known as predicative position. So there are two positions for adjective. First one is before the noun and second one is as part of the predicate. So okay, before the noun and as part of the predicate. So what is adjective? Adjective is the word we use to describe the noun, and there are two positions for adjective. First one is before the noun and second one is as part of the predicate. Now correct use of some adjectives. Now correct use of some adjectives. अभी कुछ adjectives का correct use कैसे है? Now first one is some, any. ये दोनों क्या है? Adjective है. Okay? अभी इसको correct usage क्या है? First one is some and any. Some is used in affirmative sentence while any is in the negative sense. यानी सम मीन्स पॉजिटिव सेंस, कुछ है दिखाने के लिए, अफर्मेटिव है, एंड एनी ये दिखाने के लिए कि नहीं है, नेगेटिव सेंस दिखाने के लिए हम क्या यूज़ कर सकता है, एनी. ओके, अभी सम इज यूज्ड इन अफर्मेटिव सेंस एंड एनी इज यूज्ड इन नेगेटिव सेंस. ओके, लेट्स go through some example. There is some milk in the glass. There is some milk in the glass. Glass में कुछ दूध है, ग्लास में कुछ दूध है. It is in positive sense, यानी उधर है, ग्लास में कुछ दूध है. I don't find any milk in the glass. I don't find any milk in the glass. मैंने ग्लास में कोई दूध नहीं देखा. I don't find any milk in the glass. That is negative sense. There is no milk in the glass. समझ में आया? When we use some to show something is there, affirmative sense, and any is in negative sense. Okay, another example, I have some money with me. I have some money with me. Some shows that I have some money, positive sense, there I have some money, यानी मेरे पास कुछ पैसे है. I don't have any money, यानी I don't have any money, मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है ना, वो क्या दिखा रहा है, नेगेटिव सेंस. समझ में आया? सम शोज द पॉजिटिव सेंस, अफर्मेटिव सेंस, एंड एनी शोज नेगेटिव सेंस. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज ईच एंड एवरी. ईच, एवरी. ईच इज यूज्ड एज वन ऑफ द टू थिंग्स टेकन वन बाय वन. ईच कब यूज़ करते हैं? दो चीज़ है, उसमें से एक एक उठाना है, एक एक को उठा के बताने के लिए कौन सा है? ईच. वाइल एवरी इज यूज टू मीन मेनी. एवरी यानी बहुत सारा को दिखाने के लिए. ओके, ईच इज यूज्ड as one of the two things taken one by one, while every is used to mean many. Both these words take singular verb. Both these words take singular verbs. Let's see some example. Each of the house is slightly different. Each of the houses is slightly different. अभी इधर दो houses है, उसमें एक एक को बता रहा है कि वो दोनों क्या है, अलग अलग है. Each of these houses is slightly different. Next, every child in the school passed the swimming test. Every child, that shows many, सारा है ना. Every child in the school passed the swimming test. So each shows one of two things taken one by one, and every shows many. Now next is much, many. Much, many. Much is used regard to quantities. Much कब दिखाता है? Shows the quantity, and many is used in regard to number. Much is used in regard to quantity. Much कब use करना है? जब when we want to show the quantity, when we want to show the quantity, and many is in regard to number. Many is used in regard to number. many poets are composing patriotic poems. Many poets are composing patriotic poems. Now many is in regard to number, right? Poets, we can count the number, so we used the adjective many. Such, she has much money to spend. She has much money to spend, so we used here much to show the quantity. Now both much and many have their comparative and superlative forms. Okay, now what is comparative and superlative? That is the degrees of adjectives. Okay, degrees of adjectives, comparative and superlative. Much, comparative is more and most, superlative is most. many का क्या है? more, most. दोनों का क्या है? more, most. One is quantity and one is number. More people are coming to see the exhibition. That shows the number. More people are coming to see the exhibition. That shows the comparative degree. Okay, I want more sugar for myself. I want more sugar for myself. That shows the quantity. Most people are opportunists in the world. Most people are opportunists in the world. That is number. That shows the superlative form. Okay, and most of the rice has gone bad. That shows the quantity, and that is superlative. Next is many, many a. Many a. What's the difference between many and many a? Both are used to denote numbers. ये दोनों क्या बताने के लिए यूज करता है? Numbers. With many we use plural verb. With many we use plural verb. Many के साथ क्या है? Plural verb से. Many students are learning new languages in my school. See, many students are learning new languages in my school. Now with many we use plural verb. Many a is used with a singular noun and singular verb. Okay, in many a we use singular noun and singular verb. Many a famous pop star has been ruined by drugs. Many a famous pop star has. Okay, so इतना याद रखना. many और many a में many क्या है? दोनों क्या दिखाता है? numbers. many कब है? many के साथ we use plural verb. Plural verb. Okay, we use plural verb. And with many a we use singular noun and singular verb. दोनों singular रहेगा. Singular noun and singular verb. Okay. Next is all, whole. All is used to denote quantity as well as the number. All कब use करना है? When we want to show the quantity as well as the number. दोनों, quantity as well as the number, and whole just denotes the quantity only. Whole denotes the quantity. All the teachers in my school are highly educated. मेरे school का सारे teachers highly educated है. तो all the teachers, that's the adjective we used when we want to show the quantity as well as the number. Okay, we can count the teachers and we are showing the quantity. All the teachers in my school are highly educated. He took the whole tea. He took the whole tea. Here we just denote the quantity. We cannot count it, right? So we use the adjective whole. So all, when we use all we use all when we want to show the quantity as well as the number, and whole is used to show the quantity. तो आज इतना आप लोग अच्छे से आपका कॉपी में लिख के, जो भी मेन पॉइंट्स है आपका कॉपी में लिख के लेके इसको अच्छे से याद करना. थैंक यू.